Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to hard reset PS4. Don't just use it from the power button. We'll take it to recovery mode, then you can choose from there, but I'll show you.
I'm getting a lot of people checking my videos, but not many of you guys subscribing. So I'm trying to help you guys. You guys can help me back to by subscribing. You guys hit the subscribe button and the like.
You're going to need a USB cable and your PS4 controller. I'm just trying to plug it in. All you need to do is first just switch off your PS4. So hold the power button until it goes off. Just keep holding until it goes fully off and you let go. Then what you need to do is you need to listen for the beep. Not the first beep when I press the button, but the second beep. When you hear it, then you let go of the power. So let's listen. Let it fully go off first, and now it's gone fully off. Press it. That's the first beep. You need to hear the next beep. Then you let go. As you can see, just connect your DualShock PS4 cable and the Presta PS4 controller. The PS. As you can see, guys, we're in the safe mode. You have to scroll down all the way to. You can either do the same thing, restore default settings or update system, or in this case you need to go to number 6. Number 6, Initialise PS4. And once you click on it, as you can see, if you want to initialize your PS4, all your users and all your data will be deleted. I sure you want to continue. You want to delete everything and you're certain to delete it, click yes, and then your system is fully deleted. So guys, go to number 6, click X. Once you click X and you're certain to delete, go yes and press X again, and your system is fully reboot, manufacturer reset. Just the way you bought it from the shop, everything clean. So if you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.